Hi, Grandpa Bob.
Hi, what's up?
Well, did you know that April 22nd is Earth Day?
Earth Day. Why? Did you know that April 23rd is birthday?
I do, yes.
Mine.
Your birthday. I know we have two special holidays right in a row.
All right, let's talk about Earth Day first.
Okay. Well, for Earth Day, I thought I'd show everybody how to make seed bombs. You see, we want to make the earth look really beautiful. Would you like to see one?
Yes. What am I looking at?
Well, I'm going to teach them how to make this. I've got seeds all in here. And doesn't it look like the planet Earth with these colors?
It does, yes.
Yeah. Well, I also thought that if the kids make a seed bomb, they might need a special Earth Day treat.
Oh, I'd like to hear about that.
All right. Well, let me go get one for us.
All right.
Grandpa Bob, these are our sky parfaits.
Oh my goodness, what all is in there?
Well, you're going to have to watch the video to find out how to make them.
Oh, okay.
It's very simple. Should we try it?
I would love to try it.
Okay. All right. Oh, yum. Oh,
That is so good.
Excuse us for just a minute.
Yeah, maybe for 10 minutes or so.
That's right. Oh, that's good. I like that. And it's so easy to make.
While we have this up here, could you bring me one of the earth balls again?
Sure, one of the earth
No, I'm
bombs.
going to hold on to this.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
going to let go of this.
All right, let me get one.
Hold it up where everybody can see it, because I want to remind the children that the earth ball contains a seed and that goes into the ground. This contains sweets and it goes into my tummy. So remember which one goes where.
So don't eat a seed bomb.
Do you have something nearby here that you could show them where you put an earth ball?
They're seed bombs, Grandpa Bob.
Seed bomb.
All right. Okay. Yes. I'm going to plant mine in this pot here full of dirt. You can plant it outside in the ground or a smaller pot, whatever you would like. I chose to use wildflowers because I thought it would look really pretty.
All right, now I'm going to concentrate on this.
And I want to think about your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Could we have it again on my birthday and put a candle in it?
Sure can. All right. Stay tuned and hear how to make these seed bombs and these sky parfaits. To make a seed bomb, you'll need construction paper. I have 3 sheets of blue, white, and green, but you can use any color. I chose these colors because when you put them together, it looks like the planet Earth. Now you need some seeds. I wanted to plant flowers, so I chose these. 2 or 3 packets should be fine. Now you'll need to cut the construction paper into approximately 1-inch squares. The size doesn't have to be exact. You're just trying to make them smaller so you can work with them. Your paper is cut and separated, and you're ready for the next step. Put each color in a separate bowl. Next, cover them completely with water. Leave them soaking in water for at least 20 minutes. Mix it up with your fingers to make sure all the pieces are wet. For this next step, you will want a small food processor. The larger one, the paper seemed to go to the sides. The paper is done soaking, so squeeze out the excess water. Tear it into small pieces and put it in the food processor. Put the lid on your food processor and use the pulse option until your paper turns into a pulp. Dump out the water in the bowl you had the paper, and then return the paper to the bowl. Do this process for each color and put each color in a separate bowl. I have a cookie sheet with wax paper, or you can use parchment paper, and now I'm going to put seeds into each bowl. and mix it all up. Take a little bit of each color and form it into a ball. Now I'm going to let these dry overnight. Now that we worked so hard to make our seed bombs, we need to make ourselves a treat. How about a sky parfait? To make a sky parfait, you'll need Cool Whip topping and a 3-ounce package of blue Jell-O. Make the blue Jell-O according to the package directions. Be sure that it is firm. Take a fork and rake it across the Jell-O to break it up. Next, have your whipped topping ready, and you'll need a parfait cup. Layer the blue Jell-O and the whipped topping. And now you have a sky parfait. What could be better than one sky parfait? Oh, I have an idea. How about 2? Enjoy.